Hey guys, how you doing? This is Husta, and welcome to the plant room. Today I thought we'd do an unboxing. I got plant mail, my first 2 plants of the year. Stick around and let's see what I got. Welcome to the plant room. As you can notice, we're not in the plant room. We're actually in what I call my Norange room. And you might be wondering, the room's not orange. Why does she call it Norange? Well, it used to be orange and we changed the color, so now it's not orange, hence Norange. Anyway, that was my joke of the day. I got some plant mail today. I bought a couple of plants from Gabriella's Plants. And this was because they had a big promotion going on for December. And there were 2 little plants in there that I had been wanting. And since the price was good, I figured, why not? So, let's check them out together. So, as you can see, well packaged with their story stage, whole 9 yards. And I'll take the first one out for you. All right, let's see what we got here. So you guys all know I'm pretty much a Hoya fanatic. And of course, you know what we got here. A Hoya. While doing my research for this one, I couldn't find a whole lot of information on it. All I know about it as of now is that it's native to Thailand. The flowers tend to be a creamy white color with like burgundy and pink and a yellow inside, the nucleus. Vermont Hoya says they're a little difficult to grow indoors, and the only way they've been able to get it to bloom is outdoors in regular sunlight, but we shall see, because I don't take my plants outside during the summer or spring. This appears to be a very long vine, and it is, she got here pretty good. Doesn't look like there's much damage or anything. So this is probably going to butcher this name, and I'll end up putting it up at the top. If anybody knows how to pronounce it correctly, please let me know. But this is the Hoya Hatsam Paen, Paen, and it's pretty cool. I'll probably let her acclimate and keep her isolated for a little bit, and then we'll introduce her to the tribe. So, moving right along. Her pot's a little squished. The next one I got is the philodendron, and this is another one that I had been eyeing for a while, but they were kind of popular and I didn't want to pay popular prices. So when this sale hit for Christmas, it was my perfect timing to score one. And this is, again, I'm going to butcher this name, Squamiferum. Ooh, the leaves are pretty. Does everybody else get excited when they get plant mail? Because I know I do. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if we can get this off. Cut it a little bit and bring it off the top. Look at her. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? Look at the leaves. Look at the petioles. They got the fuzzy stuff. Kind of resembles my Florida green. Oh, this is pretty. And it's got a new Leaf coming in. I am so excited. For right now, she's going to get a stake. And in about a month or so, I'll put her on a pole. But look at that. Isn't she pretty? Did you see the petals? Very cool. So these are the 2 babies I got. My first 2 plants of the year. Hopefully more, as long as my husband doesn't see them come in. You know, you got to sneak those in every once in a while. But nonetheless, my 2 plants that I just got. Did you get any new plants? If you did, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Let's talk as a community. Thank you for visiting. Have a great day. Bye.